Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Your Dinner, and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making apple hand pies in the form of a pumpkin. These are great to make in the fall time, and they aren't too difficult to make as well, so let's start. The first step is peeling the apples and removing the cores. I want to show you something interesting, how the way you use your knife changes the result. See how the apple sticks to the blade when you're not using the tip? If you switch to the tip of the knife, the slices slide right off and you can cut them much more finely. Next, chop the raisins and cranberries into small pieces. I like to use a mix of both, but you can choose whichever you prefer. Add them to a bowl along with sugar and cinnamon and give it a quick stir. Now place a spoonful of the apple mixture in the center of a puff pastry sheet. Fold two opposite corners toward the middle. Then bring in the remaining four corners so the filling is nicely sealed inside. Take 3 pieces of kitchen twine, about 20 cm each, and lay them crosswise. Place the pastry seam side down on top and tie the string one by one. Trim off the excess. Then transfer your little bundle onto a baking sheet. Crack an egg, beat it and brush it over the pastry. This will give it that beautiful golden brown color. Sprinkle a little extra caster sugar on top for a nice sparkle and crunch. Bake for about 15 minutes at 225 degrees Celsius. You might notice a little bit of spillage, but don't worry, that's completely normal. Let them cool before removing the kitchen twine. You definitely don't want to bite into that. For the final touch, insert the small cinnamon stick into the center of each pastry and you're done! Crispy, golden and filled with warm apple goodness. Enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video and you want to see future videos of me. And of course, I see you in the next one.